Welcome to m-hance presents the 12 Days of Hintmas with me, Sharon Keegan. On the 5th day of Hintmas, GP gave to me a way to copy my report options. So first of all, what are report options? If I go to my purchasing desktop and browse over to my reports, let's go with the trial balance. So the one I've set up is the age trial balance with options. So I've got one in here called Hintmas. If I go in and have a look, I've put in a lot of restrictions, okay? Pretty much a restriction for everything I can have in there. And I've done it for creditor ID ACE 001. Ignore the rest of these settings, they're junk. It's just to show you how these work, because if you were to look, see, they're not logical. But yeah, it's just to give you an idea. You may have report options saved with lots of different settings that you went to a lot of trouble to set up. And let's say I've got this one set up for ACE Travel, but I would like to have the same report but for a different supplier. So to do that, I just want to change this one setting. In your earlier versions of GP, you would have to just take note of these settings and go in and recreate the whole thing from scratch. But with this nice new feature in GP 18, I just create Hintmas 2, tab off the name. So this is my new report, click copy. Pick the report that I am copying from, the report option, and say OK. It populates all the settings so that it's exactly the same as the other one. And I can remove the one that I want to change and put in my change. OK. So I'm changing to Advanced Office Systems, and I will insert them instead and save. So now I have the second version of my report. So I have two report options there with more or less the same settings, just a slight change, and I didn't have to create everything from scratch. So thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.